So this is a Cinder vertical mouse. I wasn't sure that I was going to like this because I've tried a Cinder keyboard before, folding keyboard, and I really was excited by that, but it turned out that it was just, the keys were too flimsy, it folded in all the wrong places, and I just thought, well, it's just not the kind of writing feel that I can use for any length of time. In fact, it was not at all ergonomic. And yeah, I agreed to review this mouse. I've never used a vertical mouse like this before, but I'm told that it can be really good for long sessions. So Cinder are a subsidiary, I think, of ProtoArch. They're linked to ProtoArch, and I guess they're the more sort of budget options, and the ProtoArch are the more premium options in their range. I'm very glad to be having a look at this today. This specifically is the MBD5. So let's have a little look at that. I think I'm certainly keen to try this one though, the one with a trackball attached to it as well. That seems like quite a good option, being able to also use a trackball at the same time. Seems to be very similar. Yeah, I think that's it, although it's not called the same thing. MOU 302 vertical wireless mouse and Bluetooth. So let's have a little look at that. It's got the tri-mode setup, which is what we really want. You can use a dongle, or you can switch to 2 channels of Bluetooth there, or I think you can use with a wire as well. Yeah, nice. It's gonna take some getting used to. There's a forward and back button there, but at first glance it's kind of almost hard not to press the left click without clicking the forward and back button. Scroll wheel is there as you'd expect. Let's bring in a real mouse mat, shall we, rather than the Steel series. Cool, and that's linked to volume. Let's just click about a bit, shall we? ProtoArch, I think, are their parent company. I think if you're looking for a foldable keyboard, then probably go with these guys. They're a bit more premium feeling. Having tested these out at IFA, it's got a DPI button as well, 3 modes. I will be using this for a little while in my unboxing session that I'm doing just here, just to get around, and yeah, maybe at the end I'll just let you know what I think of that for a reasonably long period. Obviously, the kind of muscle memory of using a flat mouse is very strong. If it is objectively better, I can certainly get used to something new. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know if you actually think, no, the one to try is the trackball mouse, or a larger flat trackball as well is available from ProtoArch. And the lady at ProtoArch was telling me that this ergonomic mouse was their kind of best seller. That's a vertical mouse from ProtoArch. They have a very similar trackball as well, and it also had a flat trackball, but it might not be out yet. Cool, thanks very much once again for Cinder for sending me that mouse. I'm certainly going to enjoy trying that out. Had to make it. So there we go, that has been a long session of unboxings, and I've been using the vertical mouse for the whole time, and I've really enjoyed it. It's very quickly become very comfortable, very easy, very natural to use. I'm impressed. I think it's definitely a recommend. Thanks once again to Cinder. This product is far better than your folding keyboard was.